recall, last episode, the doctor discovered that he could conquer death by learning how to live. Thus he began his quest to seek out and acquire the segments of knowledge required to reveal understanding. Previously, the doctor collected enough segments to reveal that the cells of warm-blooded animals must reorient in the Earth's magnetic field properly, thereby doubling the average life expectancy in humans. Has the doctor collected enough segments to answer this week's title question? And the question is, Doctor, who has two hearts? Here are the 4 segments of knowledge that have been collected. Let's look at them every which way and see if any useful knowledge can be derived from studying them. Most people are aware of the importance of their cardiovascular heart. What if you became aware of another heart located in your body? Does our lymph system have a heart like the cardiovascular system has a heart? And does it work better the more active we are? Let's study segment number 1. The Russian newspaper Pravda reports the discovery of a second or lymphatic heart common to all human beings by a team of Soviet radiologists. Detected by X-ray techniques, the lymphatic pump appears to the Russians to be a long tube separated by 20 valves into individual segments aligned along the spine. This heart seems to serve the same function for the lymph system that the blood-pumping one does for the cardiovascular system. Knowledge segment number 2. Segment 1 reminded me of segment 2. Here we have the anatomy of the phoenix moth. The heart can readily be located. It is recognized as a long tube running along the back of the moth. The expansion and contraction during breathing also pumps the lymphatic heart for the insect. Segment number 3. Studies show that the infant within the womb begins breathing at a certain stage of development. Does the child have to use its breathing muscles in order to pump its lymphatic heart even in the womb? And this being the reason the infant appears to be breathing? Segment number 4. Many of our books tell us of something called the thoracic duct, but they do not go as far as to think of it as a heart. In mammals, lymph is driven through the lymphatic vessels primarily by the massaging effect of the activity of muscles surrounding the vessels. Animals lower than mammals have muscular swellings called lymphatic hearts at intervals of the lymphatic vessels to pump lymph through them. This information appears misleading. Now, after reviewing the facts, let's see if we can come to some new conclusions regarding our health. Breathe deep. Evolutionary speaking, the lymphatic heart appears to be our first heart, and the flight muscles of the insect evolved into our cardiovascular heart. Can studying the anatomy of insects be like looking at the stars? What we see actually happened many years ago. 2 hearts are better than 1.
Say, God.
That's my name.
A bunch of us here at the station were doing some thinking.
With the brains I gave you?
Yes.
I am impressed.